Hi guys, Happy New Year, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't been on for a little while. I kind of had been having quite a busy time, and I then was struggling with a bit of anxiety and things, and yeah, just kind of needed to have a bit of a breather. The Actual Junk Journal series, they take quite a lot of kind of out of you doing a series like that. So I've had a bit of a breather, and hopefully now ready to get started. New year, new plans. So hopefully we're all going to have kind of lots of fun together, doing some new projects. So I'm going to do another series now. I'm probably not going to be able to do it as quickly as I was able to do the junk, the Actual Junk Journal series. So we'll just kind of see how it goes, but it will be slower because that really was quite full on for me. But I'm going to call it Fabulous Flowers. As you can see, I have a selection of flowers here. So basically, just going to kind of cover using flowers with your projects, crafting with flowers. We're going to kind of make flowers. We're going to kind of do some different things with flowers. Hopefully do some techniques that I have never used before, share some tips, and various things really. So this is just a short introduction to, what's going to come. So obviously, over the years in my crafting, I've collected all sorts of different flowers, as you can see. So we're going to kind of, use some of these, experiment using them, kind of do different things with them. We might try dyeing some or, different things anyway. We're going to kind of get experimental, hopefully. So I just thought I would come on quickly now, introduce the series, a bit like a trailer that I did for the Actual Junk Journal. And, in this trailer, I just thought I would kind of just introduce the different types of flowers that, I have used, in my journals, basically. So hopefully we're going to have lots of fun, and just thought I would come on and quickly kind of do a quick trailer of what's going to be coming in the next, few days, weeks, and things like that. So to coincide with this series, I have produced a kit here. I'm calling it Fabulous Flowers, obviously, to go alongside the series. It is a 24-page kit. So it consists of 5 pages of background papers, and then it's got 19 pages of, what previously I have always referred to as die cut pieces. I'm going to try and stop calling them that and just call them fussy cuts. Because obviously they're not die cut, they are for you to cut out. So I don't want kind of confusion there. So, hopefully I will remember that, and we'll, from here on kind of call them fussy cuts. So basically your 5 background papers consist of this, which I absolutely love. I had a lot of fun making this one. It's this gorgeous collaged piece of paper. Or, it's not a piece of paper, obviously it comes to you in digital format, but I am going to try and list more of my things in printed version as well, for those people who haven't got access to a printer. So there's this particular collage one, which I think is just super fun. Then there is this version here, which I think I printed on ivory and white, or maybe I didn't, so then we have this one here. So this one was printed on just white, thickish paper. It's kind of heavy duty paper. It's not really card, but it's paper. Then we've got this one here, which is, again, printed on the white, thickish paper. And it's obviously, yeah, just a background page. So there's that one. Then we've got this one here, which again, I've printed this, oops, I've got it the wrong way around. Again, I've printed this on the white, thickish paper. So that's that one. And then this one, I have printed it on both ivory cardstock and also on the white paper to give you an idea of kind of the difference when you print them on the white to the ivory. because I think it is actually quite a big difference, and I just wanted to kind of show you that. So there's that one on the ivory, and that's it on the white. So another obviously background page. And then finally, for the background pages, there is this one here, which is in this kind of blue colour. And again, this looks quite aqua kind of colour on here, whereas, or kind of duck egg on here. Whereas on here it kind of looks slightly more kind of blue-grey. So this is on the ivory cardstock, and this one is on the white card. So that's that one. So they're your background pages, and then these are your actual you know, your fussy cuts. So I'm struggling to get this into the camera, so I'm going to leave it this way round to show you this. So you've got, and at first I had kind of had a mishmash of stuff going on the pages, and what I've tried to do is really think about how I would like to use it. So I've tried to produce them colour coordinated. So if you were working on a kind of yellow project, you would print the yellow page. Blue project, you could print just the blue flowers, you know, so that it's more economical for you printing. So we've got these gorgeous blue ones. Then here we've got these, which are kind of tones of greys, which I think these are really quite nice, especially with vintage kind of style pages and things. So that's that one. This one here, again, you've got kind of blue shades, and I've done some dark ones because actually I think they're really rather nice. You know, on, again, certain pages. And, you know, through this series, we're going to kind of play around and hopefully kind of give you ideas of, you know, where you can use different types of things. So then you've got a couple of these flowers, which are, you know, my favourite ones. I've already been playing with this kit, and I love these flowers to use. So I've done you 2 pages. They're slightly different, so they contain slightly different sizes and things. Then you've got this one, which is kind of shades of lilac-y pinks, really. I don't know whether the camera really picks it up, but these are kind of lilac-y pinks. So I've done, again, 2 pages worth of these, like this. And then you've got these ones, which are shades of a slightly different colour pink, which, you know, I think it's nice to give people options. Excuse this, for some reason I was having problems with my printer heads on the printer, so it was kind of printing streaks on the page. So obviously yours would not come like that. That was, you know, my printer mucking about. That's one of the pink ones. And then this is another one of the pink ones. Then here, these ones, and again, I absolutely love these, and I have been playing with these endlessly. Working on a journal myself, so, you know, really, really, really nice. So I've given you a couple of pages of those. These ones, which are very neutral coloured, you know, very pale indeed. Just have included them because, again, you know, I know lots of you quite like neutral kind of colours, so I thought they were quite nice. And as I say, there are 19 pages, but because I've tried to do them colour sorted, you could just print the colour page that you were wanting to use at that time to be economical with your ink. So, you know, you would then do the file print and then do, you know, page range and just the page number that you wanted to print, so you weren't wasting all of your ink printed, you know, printing colours that you didn't want to print. So these, again, they're kind of pinks, but they've obviously got the green leaf, which again, I think are quite nice to have. Then here I've just given you a kind of mixture, really. So you've got some larger images, a couple of small ones, and then these with a kind of ticket type option. And then here I've just given you just 6 of the flowers that I picked, of my favourites really. And I've just done them massive because sometimes I really quite like very big embellishments on a page. I'm not necessarily a kind of into very tiny things. So I quite like having the large flowers. So that's a page of those. And then finally, oh no, not finally, sorry, there's a couple more pages. In complete contrast to the ones that are very large, I've given you a mixed page of most of the flowers included in the kit, but in very tiny kind of samples. So obviously they can be cut out very tiny to use on your projects. So, you know, hopefully I've really kind of encompassed like lots of things to make it really useful to use. And then the final 2 pages are just a variety of pinks and kind of much darker, kind of more vibrant pinks. In, yeah, a variety of shades and styles and sizes. And again, I have already been using these, so, you know, I have enjoyed using them so far, so hopefully you guys will too. So this kit, obviously it's to coincide with the series. We're just going to kind of play around. We're going to, you know, hopefully, we're going to kind of make fabric flowers. We're going to make some, you know, paper flowers, and we're going to use lots of this kit, you know, kind of just seeing what we can do really and what we can come up with. I mean, this series, it may be that there won't be very much to cover after all, and it won't make much of a series. I don't know. But I'm hoping it, you know, will kind of evolve as we go. So, yeah, I just wanted to do something a bit different. I didn't want to just kind of do another journal kind of working through, because obviously I've done a couple of those series and I didn't want to just be doing the same old, same old. So I thought we'd kind of crack on and do this, and hopefully it will kind of be a bit varied. And then you can dip in and dip out, you know, if it's covering something with flowers that you weren't interested in, you wouldn't have to kind of, you know, watch that episode. If it was something you were, then obviously you could, you know, watch that. So I hope that that kind of is, you know, exciting. I hope we're going to have lots of fun with this. I think we're going to have, you know, lots of kind of variety and different things to do. Yeah, so I'm quite excited to get started, and I hope that you're all going to kind of join with me for the journey. As I say, Happy New Year to everybody, and thank you so much for all those kind people who've kind of, you know, sent me their warm wishes. That's really, really appreciated. Thank you very much. I mean, sometimes it is quite, you know, nerve-wracking doing these videos, and, you know, I really appreciate people's support. It's very, very kind. So thank you very much, and I hope you're going to join me for the series. I've got lots of other things planned for later in the year, but just going to try and pace myself, and yeah, hopefully you'll kind of share along on the journey with me. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you all shortly for episode 1. Thanks then, bye.